Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of November 19th, Thanksgiving week, in my B6. This is my regular B6 weekly plan with me. I know I did a special Thanksgiving plan with me that came out earlier this week. I am going to be using this Two Lil Bees kit. This is a full horizontal kit and there's like so many stickers in here. This is my first time using a full horizontal kit. I've used her like mini ones before, but anyway, let me show you. I just love this. It's like so cute and so Thanksgiving-y and like totally different than the kit that I bought for my Erin Cadron, so I'm really excited to use this. I think there's like so much great stuff in this kit, and it's just like I said, just an absolutely huge kit. So I'm excited, and it's got like a lot of washi, so I'm definitely going to be bringing in some of this skinny washi as well. I have my the same inserts that I've been using, the two different inserts from Jesenia's Printables, which I've been mixing together. So on this all backwards, on the first page is this insert, which is like a weekly overview with like a horizontal and a listing, and then this is the personal wider plus insert that is the week on 2 pages. So this is going to be a voiceover, and I am going to go jump in. So I am going to set this up like regular, how I usually do, but honestly, I'm not really sure on the to-do side. Like other than Thanksgiving, I'm not really expecting to get that much done because I am also like not working this week, so I am going to have the kids. My daughter has school on Tuesday, but then obviously not on Thursday, and I will have my son all week, so I'm just not expecting to get too much done, but I like to have this set up, and honestly this kit is so beautiful. I kind of regret not getting this in the vertical to do in my Erin Cadron, although we'll see after I do like my memory spread for that, because I also really like that kit. And I did decide to bring in this teal washi, since even though it doesn't like it's what I like to call it, like matches the kit, but it's not like in the kit, if that makes sense. I think it's a really nice contrasting color for the kit, and I think it looks really nice with the kit, but there aren't any stickers in that color. I like to do that sometimes, especially with the Two Lil Bees kits, which I feel like are a little bit softer than the usual style of kits that I gravitate towards. So it's nice to bring in like another bold color, although this one does have like that really nice dark maroony red. And there was just a lot of Simply Gilded, both in gold and rose gold, that matched with this, but I did decide to go with the rose gold in here. So on this side, I'm just setting up my sidebar to have my habit trackers, which will be for checking my planners, especially that Thanksgiving spread. I want to make sure I tie on top of my Thanksgiving to-do list, and then as well taking care of my teeth. I put in a Happy Mail tracker, and then I set up my listing sidebar to be for this week and next week, which is what I did last week, which I really liked. So I decided to use the washi from the kit to divide off my like horizontal layout, and that worked out really perfectly, which is a nice thing about the horizontal kits and using them in here in addition to the shorter full boxes. And then I'm going through with some my newest addiction date numbers that are left over from a monthly kit and are really pretty and match well with this. So I'm just going to put random things in here. I will put my weather along the side there and my meal plan, and then I just leave the middle space for like any other stuff that I need to jot throughout the week, etc. So I'm going to use the washi from the kit, at least one of them, and then pair that with some of those teal baby bows above that. I just thought this washi looked so cute, and I just like I couldn't not use it. And then I left myself a little bit of space to run underneath the columns. I'm still adjusting to this size from the B6, which since this has this is like a little bit shorter, and it doesn't seem like much, but it definitely, I am still adjusting to like fitting everything in. And then I did use the date covers from the kit, and I decided to go with the Scribble Prints Co. A bunch of foil from the Scribble Prints Co. rose gold, which it's a very pink rose gold, so I haven't actually used it before, and I keep buying it, and I was like, let's just do it. It looks really pretty, and honestly, I don't think like on camera you definitely can't tell. In person I can tell a bit more, but it's definitely a very pink rose gold. It's pretty, it just doesn't match a lot of other shops rose gold, if that makes sense. But I decided to use that this week because I wanted to use some of the photo corners and just like special this week up a little bit, and also I used the Scribble Prints Co. holidays in here. So I am going to use the decorative headers from the Two Lil Bees kit just to run those across the top, and then I am going to do 3 heart checklists for the whole week. I put them down at first. I I put them down like all the way across the top, but then I remembered that I had wanted to try running them every other day at the top and the bottom in order to make the spreads look so pretty. So I'll end up pulling Tuesday and Thursday out to move that below the full boxes after I put the full boxes down, and it worked so well. So I'm really glad that I remembered to do that, and I like had a mental debate about whether it was too late or not, and then I decided it wasn't too late, so I'm really glad that I did that. Anyway, I'm putting down a Black Friday on one of the flags from the kit. The holiday sticker is from Scribble Prints Go, like I mentioned, and I'm just using that to measure out where I want to put the full box, and then I'm going to run those all the way across the weekdays. I didn't use them on the weekend since it is the smaller space. So other than cooking for Thanksgiving, the other main things I wanted to get done this week while I'm off work and kiddo nap time, etc. allows, is I'm hoping to do another personal wide ring bound planner setup, and maybe even a TN setup too for winter. I'm not ready to get out of my fall ones yet, but I want to be able to do that like right in December, and certainly before we go away. And then as well, I'm trying to film an office tour, so hopefully you guys like that. Anyway, I'm just making sure I have enough space for that at the bottom, and I put Tuesday as trash day as always, and then I'm grabbing a couple of these photo corners from the Scribble Prints Go sheet that is in that same really pinky rose gold, because I thought that would just add a little extra something special to the spread since it is for Thanksgiving, and since I love this kit so much. So I was just going to put one there, but then I was like, felt weird about it, so I put the second one there. And then on Thanksgiving Day, I actually just went ahead and put the holiday sticker right on the full box. I think it looks kind of cute, but you can't see it like super, super well, but it does look cute. So then on Monday, I was leaving myself a reminder that the cleaning people who usually come on Friday, but they had to cancel last minute on Friday, so they were actually coming on Monday instead. And actually, they're coming twice this week, which is the most luxurious and indulgent thing ever. I also wanted to clean my office, like tidy it up for filming the tour, and then pack lunches. And I have a video. Nope. And then left space for an activity since I wasn't having childcare on Monday. Then on Tuesday, my daughter does have school. I'm hoping to get some filming done on Tuesday since that is the only day I have like any kind of childcare this week, since my daughter has school, and my son does still nap quite a lot since he is a baby. So hopefully getting some filming done there. And then as well, I will have a video this week on Tuesday that's actually going to be my Thanksgiving plan with me. Not this video, which usually would come out on Tuesday, but like an actual Thanksgiving prep video. So I thought that would be kind of fun to film. And it took me forever to figure out how I wanted to put that down. I was just like trying to squeeze everything in. I really wanted to use these decorative flags, but they more looked like they should be put like vertically, and I didn't have space for that. So I eventually went with a plain flag and that little icon from Artbox Stickers and the Rose Colored Days script as well. So then on Wednesday, I put down a laundry girl instead of doing a laundry list. I wanted to use a bunch of Fox and Pip stickers this week, and I just had other things that I wanted to mark down, and so I can make a list in that little space or on the other page, but I could also just write down laundry. So hopefully get some laundry done on Wednesday. And then I also want to FaceTime my family on Wednesday. I'm a little bummed that we're not going home for Thanksgiving, and like a lot of my cousins and stuff that don't live in the area are coming in, which they don't every year. So I'm feeling like especially down about it this year. So I just want to FaceTime while everybody is around and home. And then I left myself space for another little activity as well. Then on to Thursday, mostly just I just decided to use one of those family time stickers from the baby sheet from Scribble Prints Go, because I thought, that's really, we're not going to do anything besides cook and have dinner and be together on Thursday. So just putting that down. And then as well, this video I think will actually go out on Thursday. So I am going to pull that flag up to mark down the video. And then I just left the half box to mark down dinner. Oh, actually, I don't remember what I was going to put down in the flag right now, because I ended up pulling it up to replace it with a video sticker in just a minute. Then on Friday, I left space for like a fun activity, and then I just wanted to write like something about Black Friday shopping. We don't go to any stores, but I will be doing all of the online shopping and all of like the Etsy Shopify planner shopping. So I grabbed one of these little turkey girls from the holiday sampler from Fox and Pip, and then one of these present girls to mark all of my shopping that will happen on Black Friday and really all weekend, Cyber Monday too, the whole weekend. There's just so many sales. I hate crowds, so I won't go to the stores, but I am happy to go to the internet and get all of my shopping done. So then on Saturday, we don't really have any plans. I'm sure we'll just kind of unwind and eat a bunch of leftovers. I will have another video out on Saturday, my October memory spread. So this is going to be a 4-video week, hopefully. And then on Saturday, my son is also going to be 8 months. Since I had that sheet out, I decided to just go ahead and mark it. I didn't really have that much to mark anyways. And then I just kind of left myself some space for some activities. I moved that flag that I had pulled up over there so that I didn't waste it, and put a $50 in, and then as well put a $50 on Sunday, and I will have my regular Erin Cauldron plan with me on Sunday as well. So putting that in, although I'm actually a little bit ahead or a little bit out of order, so sorry about that. Since this is going to come out on Thanksgiving, I'll just say I'm so grateful for all of you who are tuning into this video, and who regularly watch my channel or message me or like my stuff on Instagram. I get so much joy out of being part of the planner community and out of this YouTube channel. So I just want to say thank you so much. I'm just really feeling very grateful. Anyway, to wrap this up, I am going back in with the deco and running that along the side. I write my meal plan in along the side, and obviously on Thursday we're having turkey, so I thought that was kind of funny. But I do not need to write in turkey since I know it's Thanksgiving, and that's in my planner a million times. But anyway, and also just running some washi along this side and sort of finishing out with the deco on the other side. There was so much deco in this kit, and even though some of it was quite large, I just really wanted to use it because I thought it was so pretty, and I didn't know how much. I didn't feel like I was gonna have that much stuff to write down in here anyways, since I do have a whole other insert devoted to just this week. So I just felt comfortable using the deco and leaving myself a little bit less space to write than usual. And then while I was looking at the deco, I found some other cool stickers that I wanted to add into the horizontal side of the spread. So I'm gonna grab a label to mark that I had my nanny coming on Monday so that I could take my daughter to an event at her school and not bring the baby with us, which was a really nice treat, and we had a fun Thanksgiving lunch at the school. And then on Thursday and Friday, my husband wasn't working, so I decided to put that in there, and then grab the Happy Thanksgiving sticker and just some shopping stuff on Friday, just random things to finish this out. And that is everything. Okay, that is everything all filled out. I think this turned out so cute. I am just super feeling this. I almost said beautiful. Cute and beautiful, new fun word there. But anyway, I just absolutely love how this turned out. I left myself a lot of blank space to fill in things throughout the week. Since I'm not working this week, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of activities, etc. that we do that I want to write in as I go. I do have a peach palm and a Fur and You dangle clip marking my page here, and I actually did all of my writing in a pen gem this week. Look how perfectly this matches. This is I think K Syrah. It's the more purple one from the wine release, and I have a Pilot High-Tech C insert in there. And let me show you what I have left from the kit. Really a lot. This was such a big kit, but I love the horizontal format for in here, and the Two Lil Bees in particular, even the mini kits. This is such a good format, and I still have all these clipboards. I definitely am gonna have to figure out something to do with this because I just think that it's so beautiful. But yeah, so anyway, I really love this. I'm so happy with that. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans, and this video is going to come out on Thanksgiving, so I hope everyone who celebrates has an absolutely wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye!